Hi there, tutors and classmates. This is the recording of the video for the English class. Activity 5 Speaking Assignment. My name is Ana Karina Torres Ortiz. I am 29 years old. I am student of Environmental Engineering in UNAD Vélez. I'm from Sevilla, Valle del Cauca, where my family lives. But I'm currently working and I live in Vélez Santander, work in IMPEC. I am single. In the photography, the thermal waters in Santa Rosa de Cabal, Risaralda. In the picture, we have a site that is located in the coffee region of Colombia, doing part of their beautiful landscape. Located 2 hours from my city is the Busin Thermal Complex in the region, as well as one of its main tourist attractions. Thanks for your attention. Bye bye.